Good morning, children. Today in science I am going to teach you a new lesson, living and non-living things. Children, you can see many things around you. Some are living and some are non-living. Living and non-living things. All animals, plants and human beings are living things. Things like bat, ball, chair, table, fan and van are non-living things. Living things differ from non-living things in many ways. Living things need food and water. Living things need food and water to live. Animals eat plants and flesh of other animals as food. Plants make their own food in the presence of sunlight, air and water. Human beings depend on both plants and animals for their food. You can see in the picture. Living things move. Living things can move on their own. They move from one place to another in search of food, shelter and to protect themselves from enemies. Animals like cow, lion and dog move with the help of their legs. Birds and some insects fly with the help of their wings. Now plants do not move from one place to another because they do not need to search for food. Different parts of plants can show movement. The leaves of mimosa plant, that is touch me not, close when touched. The sunflower turns towards the sun. Now living things breathe. Living things need air to breathe. Human beings and animals breathe through their nose. Insects like grasshopper and cockroaches breathe through their body. Now plants breathe through tiny pores present on the leaves. These tiny pores are called stomata. Now living things grow. All living things grow over the period of time. They change in shape and size. Now living things feel. All living things feel changes around them. Animals feel changes around them with the help of their sense organs like eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin are sense organs. Insects like cockroaches and butterflies feel changes around them with the help of their antennae. Now living things reproduce. All living things have babies. Reproduction is the process in which the living things produce more of their own kinds. Animals like tortoise, lizard, crocodile, snake and etc. reproduce by laying eggs. Some animals reproduce by giving birth to their young ones. All birds lay eggs. Cats, dogs, cows and human beings give birth to their young ones. Now living things die. Living things cannot live forever. Plants, animals and human beings die. Non-living things like books, toy, chair do not die. They remain same forever. Thank you children and have a nice day.